And I invite our esteemed special guest today, Dr. Puneet Sakleja, for we want to hear actually your insight and motivating words, sir. We are waiting for you for a long time. So please.
Namaste everyone. Respected Sunil sir, respected Avdesh Tiwari sir, respected teachers, everybody on stage, management team, respected parents, and all dear students. Thank you so much, Avdesh sir, for giving me such an opportunity to share stage with such a great personalities like you, like Sunil sir, and everybody. आई एम नॉट गेस्ट, मैं आपके परिवार का ही हिस्सा हूँ. आई एम एन आइडल एकेडमी स्टूडेंट और आज मैं यहाँ पर हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ अवधेश सर. सर को पूरा क्रेडिट जाता है इस चीज़ के लिए. एंड टू माई पेरेंट्स, आई एम फ्रॉम स्मॉल विलेज धर्मपुरी ऑन सांवेर रोड, जहाँ पे बस की फैसिलिटी भी नहीं थी कभी. तब उस टाइम आज से 20-25 साल पहले अवधेश सर ने डिसीजन लिया बसेस स्टार्ट करने का वहाँ पे, और हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली सर के साथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए स्कूल. और चूँकि हम छोटी प्लेस से थे तो इंग्लिश का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम था, और सर का हर लेवल पे हर सिचुएशन में बहुत 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 सपोर्ट रहा. आज की तो क्या पोजीशन है आई डोंट नो, बट सर ने हमारी एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस भी ली हैं. हम सर के घर पे भी गए हैं स्टडी करने के लिए. कई बार सर के साथ फूड भी लिया हमने घर पे ही, वहीं स्टे करते थे. पूजा मैम और राधा मैम सभी टीच करते थे हमको, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस लेते थे कहीं भी अगर कोई इशू रहता था कभी भी. तो ओ सर ने हर लेवल पे हर सिचुएशन में बहुत हेल्प की यहाँ तक पहुँचने में. और एज अ पेरेंट मतलब मैंने अपने मदर फादर का स्ट्रगल देखा है. मेरे फादर मेडिकल शॉप ऑनर हैं और कई काम किए उन्होंने, और कैसे पेरेंट बड़ा करते हैं बच्चों को, ये स्ट्रगल आप लोगों से बेहतर, मुझसे बेहतर कौन जान सकता है. चूँकि हमने उनकी जर्नी देखी है और वहीं से मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला डॉक्टर बनने का. और इतना बड़ा स्टेज मुझे सर ने प्रोवाइड किया. थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डैट. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसी ही अपॉर्चुनिटी सभी आपके सारे किड्स को मिले, सभी बच्चों को मिले. और पेरेंट्स से मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा कि ये आश्वासन है मेरा, मतलब कि किड्स आपके सब सेफ हैंड्स में हैं, बहुत गुड हैंड्स में हैं विद आइडल इंस्टीट्यूशंस. और पेरेंट्स से मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि बच्चों को लेट देम फ्लो, उनको अपने डिसीजन लेने दें, उनको अनकंडीशनल लव दें और उनको हेल्प करें उनकी चॉइसेस को कंप्लीट करने में. और एक थैंक्स स्पेशल मैं सौरभ गुप्ता मैम और भावना मंडलोई मैम को भी देना चाहूँगा फॉर देयर कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड सपोर्ट. We have limited time, so with these words, I would like to thanks everyone for listening to me carefully. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful and motivating words. Your guidance, experiences, and encouraging thoughts have truly inspired all of us. We are grateful for your presence and wisdom you have shared with our students today. Once again, give a big round of applause for our esteemed special guest, Dr. Puneet Sakleja. May I now request our chief guest of today, Dr. Sunil Verma, to kindly grace the stage and enlighten us with your valuable words. Sir, we request you to please join us on the stage.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. I thank the school management, particularly directors of the school, Shri Avdesh Kumar Tiwari ji, Shrimati Pooja ma'am, who is also the principal of the school, I have been told, and Soumya Tiwari ma'am. In addition, I also thank the managing director, Shrimati Mayuri Birla Sadani ma'am. And last but not the least, all the respected teachers who are present here, and the parents of the students who are performing today. And in particular, I would like to thank Shrimati Bhavna Mandloing ma'am, who has been coordinating my visit to the school. I feel honored and privileged to be standing amongst all of you. Although I have been repeatedly referred to as chief guest, I think this word slightly uncomforts me. I mean, we are all have been part of schools, and school journey, I would let me tell you, is one of the most wonderful journeys of anybody's career. And we all reflect, we all want to go back to schools. And I'm happy that I am part of this function today, which you are celebrating, which you have named as Arohan 25, for young students who are the future of our nation. Dear students and parents especially, today you are celebrating the power of science and innovation. More importantly, we celebrate the spirit of curiosity, exploration and discovery, and the never-ending thirst for knowledge, which is basically driving all the progress in the society. Science, as I come, because my profession is, I am a scientist, so I'll talk a little bit about what it takes to be a scientist or what science is all about. Science is not just about textbooks or equations the way we think कि अगर कोई साइंटिस्ट है तो वो बस वो पढ़ता ही रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. ये थोड़ा सा हम लोगों को बदलना होगा, और एज ए पेरेंट्स हम सबको बदलना होगा कि साइंस का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम बस पढ़ते रहें इक्वेशंस, मैथ, साइंस पढ़ते रहें तो बस हम एक साइंटिस्ट की तरह हो गए. Science is everywhere in our daily life. From the smartphones in our pockets to the way we see things happening around us. For example, how rain falls, how food we eat gives us energy, how the electricity which we see all around lights up the hall, and so on. Every invention, every discovery, and every breakthrough starts with one simple question, and that is why. Think about it. Why does the sky changes color from morning to evening? Why do plants grow towards sunlight? Why does a magnet attract only iron, not aluminum or any other metal? So when we start questioning our observations, what we see in our daily day-to-day life, that is what I call a scientific spirit. So scientific spirit is not just कि हमने आज मैथ्स का एक चैप्टर कर लिया, आज साइंस का एक चैप्टर कर लिया, बस ठीक है, बढ़िया, हम साइंटिस्ट बन गए. ऐसा नहीं है. हम जो अपने आसपास चीज़ें हो रही हैं, उन चीज़ों को क्वेश्चन करना का जब एक प्रवृत्ति अपने अंदर लाएंगे और कहेंगे कि भी हाँ ये चीज़ हो रही है, बट ये क्यों हो रही है, तो उन चीज़ों को हमको अपने बच्चों को, वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस टू द पेरेंट्स इज दैट यू हैव टू इनकलकेट, आपको अपने बच्चों में ये एक सीड डालना है, ये एक बीज डालना है कि बेटा जो कुछ भी हो रहा है हम उसको सिर्फ ऐसे ही देख लें और मान लें कि हाँ ये ऐसा ही होता है, वो एक अलग चीज़ है. लेकिन जब तक आप उसको ये बताएंगे नहीं ये क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों होता है और क्यों नहीं होता, तब तक उसके अंदर एक साइंस के प्रति या किसी चीज़ को जानने के प्रति जो एक भावना है वो डेवलप नहीं होगी. और वो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई कॉल ए साइंटिफिक टेम्पर. वो हमको अपने बच्चों में डेवलप करना है और धीरे धीरे आप देखेंगे कि बच्चा एक अलग तरीके से डेवलप होगा. राइट. सो साइंस बिगिन, व्हाट आई वांट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ convey is science begin with curiosity, and the greatest scientists in history were those who never stopped asking questions. So please, all students who are present here and all parents also, please don't stop asking questions and encourage your kids to ask as many questions as they want, and try to answer as much as you can. Otherwise you can always say कि ठीक है अभी ये मुझे नहीं पता, मैं बाद में बताऊंगा या बताऊंगी. Right? That is always welcome. So dear students, you are the future scientists. You are the future engineers, you are the doctors, you are space explorers and innovators of tomorrow. The next big discovery, the next revolutionary invention, it could be from one of you who are right now sitting here. So imagine being one of the discoverers of a new planet. Imagine inventing a cure for a disease. Imagine inventing or making a robot which is doing something extraordinary. These are not just dreams, they are possibilities. And all it takes is passion, hard work, and an open mind. So let me start with a fascinating story. Over 300 years ago, a young man was sitting under a tree and an apple fell down. So as this story for a younger kids, maybe who are in LKG, UKG, first and second, maybe little advanced, but for the parents, that young fellow would have just thought that, okay, an apple has fallen down, I'll just pick it up and eat. He could have done it, but he didn't do that. He thought, why this apple didn't go up or on to the right or to the left? And that simple question, why, led him to the discovery of gravity, one of the most profound discoveries in today's science. So that is what I want to sort of convey, that you have to see what is happening around you and you have to start asking why it has happened. ये क्यों हुआ ऐसा और ऐसा क्या ये क्यों ऐसा नहीं हुआ, right? Another inspiring story is of Thomas Alva Edison. We all know the discoverer of the bulb. Somebody asked him, because you know how many times he failed before he discovered bulb? More than 1,000 times. So somebody asked him sometime when he became a great scientist, that was it not difficult for you, or were you not scared that you had failed 1,000 times before you discovered bulb? What he said was very inspiring. He said, no, I know 1,000 ways in which bulb cannot be made. So that is wonderful. So not all successes doesn't mean that science or anything, when you will succeed only, that is good. Even when you don't succeed, because that tells you that something in this way, if you walk in this direction, you are not going to reach to your goal. You have to take another goal. So if your goal is some particular point X and you have failed to reach that point 5 times, you know that these 5 times, 5 paths will not lead to my goal. So these 5 failures are basically some sort of knowledge for the next generation, because they know now that you don't have to take this path, 5 different paths, which are not going to lead to your goal. These are all, I would say, stories of what we have been sort of taught when we were younger in schools and all. Let me come closer to our home. You know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the greatest scientists and former president of India. As a young boy, Dr. Kalam was fascinated by birds flying. He dreamt of flying machines and wanted to build rockets. But he came from a very small town and had no resources and faced many challenges in his childhood, in his schooling, in his college days. However, the passion for science and hard work made him the missile man of India. He played a crucial role in India's space and missile programs. Right? I was just listening to Punetji. So let me tell you that we all come from, at some point or other, from very humble backgrounds. Everybody, at some point. If you see, maybe today you are seeing somebody is a great man, but if you go back to history, you will see that at some point of time, he was at a very humble background. And from there, by his sincere hard work, sincerity and honesty, he has come up to that particular stage where he is standing today. So I'll stop here. So dear students, dream big. No matter where you come from, your passion and determination will take you to great heights. Thank you. I'll stop here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring and insightful words. Your thoughts have truly motivated our students and enriched this occasion. We sincerely thank our honorable chief guest and esteemed special guests for gracing the occasion with their valuable presence and inspiring words. We truly feel honored to have you both with us today. With your blessings and encouragement, we now move ahead to the next segment of the program.